Many contractors work hard every day, but still lose money without realizing it. Manual attendance and weak supervision lead to ghost workers, inflated labor hours, and silent losses. Most contractors only discover losses after a project ends. By then, it's already too late. Untracked materials, theft, and wastage quietly eat into your profits every single day. Manual approvals delay purchases, stall work, and increase project costs. When data lives in Excel, WhatsApp, and paper files, control is lost and profits disappear. An intelligent ERP system gives contractors live visibility, labor control, stock tracking, and real-time project profits. Like and subscribe to learn how intelligent ERP systems help contractors stay profitable. Our next video covers live project profit and loss on your phone.